Hello everyone, welcome back, and you're watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install iOS 15 public beta 4 on iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we have to launch Safari browser and search for beta.apple.com and tap on first link. After loading the page, we have to tap on get started and maybe you get sign in. Now again scroll and under get started tap on enroll your iOS device. Now under install profile tap on download profile. A pop-up window will appear and we have to tap on allow. Tap close, go to settings, profile downloaded, tap on install, put iPhone passcode, tap install, install. If you want to restart, tap on restart, otherwise leave it as it is and tap on not now and tap done. Now go back to settings and tap on software update. Here we go, iOS 15 public beta 4 is ready to download on your iOS device. Now we have to tap download and install to get iOS 15 public beta 4. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.